This Thursday, a cut of low pressure system will bring much cooler conditions, strong winds, and scattered to widespread showers and thunderstorms to the southwestern part of the country. But in the northeast, heatwave conditions persisting, it will be extremely hot and uncomfortable. So let's have a look at your forecast. This Thursday, a cut of low pressure system will develop and move south of the country, bringing strong winds to the western and central parts, with scattered to widespread showers and thunderstorms in parts of the western and eastern Cape, and much cool conditions in these provinces. Only isolated thunderstorms possible in parts of northwest Gauteng, the Free State, and Mpumalanga, as well as KwaZulu-Natal. Isolated showers and thunderstorms for parts of the Eastern Cape, but scattered to widespread showers and thunderstorms for parts of the Western Cape, including parts of the Overberg and the Garden Route, with some light showers also possible here over the northern part of the Western Cape. In these areas where we are expecting showers and thunderstorms on Thursday, we're also expecting a poor PV harvest in parts of the Western and Eastern Cape, and from the afternoon becoming average over the central and eastern parts of the country. But a very windy Thursday in store for the country, with southwest winds picking up due to that cut of low pressure system over the western part of the country, turning northwesterly over the central parts. The Weather Service also warning against damaging winds along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal, with strong winds also expected along the southern coast, becoming windy over parts of the Northern Cape. Therefore, the Weather Service is warning against runaway fires over big parts of the Northern Cape, the Western and the Eastern Cape, parts of the Free State and Northwest. It will be extremely windy in these provinces. Strong winds also expected along the coast of our neighbouring country, Namibia. But in the Western Cape, much cooler conditions due to a strong onshore flow of cooler air due to that cut of low pressure system. Temperatures in the lower 20s with 22 in the afternoon in Cape Town and Worcester. Strong southwesterly to westerly winds blowing, with scattered to widespread showers and thunderstorms moving over the Overberg as well as the Garden Route. Strong southwesterly winds also expected along the coast. A much cooler day for the Karoo as well, with 28 in the afternoon in Graaff-Reinet, but westerly winds blowing fresh to strong, and the Weather Service warning against damaging winds. Another day of heatwave conditions for parts of the Eastern Cape, with temperatures above 30, isolated showers and thunderstorms possible in the province, with cloudy conditions along the coast and southwesterly winds blowing fresh to strong between East London and Port St. John's. In KwaZulu-Natal, quickly heating up due to Bergman conditions, with temperatures in the upper 30s for the escarpment areas, 37 in the afternoon in Pietermaritzburg, with isolated thunderstorms possible, but strong winds along the coast, and the Weather Service warning against damaging winds. In Mpumalanga, we are expecting another day of heatwave conditions for the high veld, with 33 in the afternoon in Standerton, temperatures in the mid-30s for the low veld, with 35 in Skukuza. A sunny and hot to very hot day for Limpopo, with temperatures in the mid-30s for the Bushveld, 35 in Tabazimbi and Lephalale. And then in Northwest, another day of heatwave conditions with temperatures in the mid to upper 30s, Vryburg reaching a high of 38, isolated thunderstorms possible over most parts of the province, and fresh to strong northwesterly winds blowing. The Weather Service is warning against runaway fires. In the Northern Cape, the strong onshore southwesterly wind bringing much cooler conditions for the southwestern parts, with Springbok and Calvinia reaching a high of only 20. Also cooler conditions now for the central and eastern parts, but a very windy day for the Northern Cape. Therefore, the Weather Service is warning against runaway fires. Another day of heatwave conditions for the Free State, with temperatures in the upper 30s, 36 the afternoon in Bloemfontein, northwest winds blowing fresh to strong, and the Weather Service is warning against runaway fires, isolated thunderstorms over the central and eastern parts of the province. In Gauteng, day 2 of heatwave conditions, with 32 the afternoon in Johannesburg, 34 in Pretoria, isolated thunderstorms here and there possible from the afternoon. Into Friday, we are expecting the cooler conditions to spread to the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, with showers and thunderstorms also possible in KwaZulu-Natal now, but another day of heatwave conditions for Gauteng and the Highveld of Mpumalanga. Into Saturday, we are expecting sunny conditions to return to the southwestern part of the country, with 24 the afternoon in Cape Town, but remaining quite chilly in KwaZulu-Natal, with scattered showers and thunderstorms possible, but an extremely hot day for Gauteng, with 36 the afternoon in Pretoria. Well, that's all from me. Stay safe and enjoy the cooler weather.
The Stage 0 Volta 40, a small portable power station with big potential. Keep your devices connected for 4 hours during outages. Simple, effective, essential. Stay connected.